America versus Russia, military power comparison. The United States has continuously developed its military since the Revolutionary War. America's focus on technological superiority and innovation has maintained a strategic edge. From the Cold War's nuclear race to today's drone warfare, the US military has consistently evolved to address contemporary threats while retaining a global presence. Russia's military roots stretch back to the Tsarist era, evolving through Soviet times into today's modern force. Historically, Russia emphasized troop strength and land-based strategies. The transition from the Soviet Union saw Russia modernize its arsenal, focusing on nuclear capabilities and strategic bombers, preserving its place as a military giant. The United States boasts the world's largest defense budget, allowing unparalleled investment in air, space, and cyber domains. Its aircraft carriers, stealth fighters, and precision weapons symbolize power. In contrast, Russia prioritized nuclear deterrence and advanced missile systems, highlighting intercontinental ballistic missiles, ICBMs, and air defense systems. America's military strength lies in its global reach, technological leadership, and alliance networks like NATO. However, budget constraints and geopolitical challenges pose limitations. Russia's strengths are its strategic nuclear arsenal and cybersecurity capabilities. Yet, economic constraints and geopolitical isolation remain significant hurdles. Current American defense strategy involves power projection and deterrence, focusing on the Indo-Pacific and Eastern Europe. Conversely, Russia prioritizes regional influence and defensive posturing, particularly in Syria and Ukraine, emphasizing hybrid warfare tactics. Both nations continue adapting doctrines to emerging threats and international power shifts. America maintains military bases worldwide, exerting global influence through partnerships and joint exercises. Russia, with a concentrated military presence in former Soviet states and the Arctic, focuses on regional dominance. Both countries heavily invest in showcasing power through military parades and international defense exhibitions. The military balance between America and Russia remains dynamic and complex. With technology rapidly advancing, the future of warfare is unpredictable. Both nations strive for superiority, pushing boundaries in space, AI, and cyber warfare. Understanding their military histories equips us with insights into potential future trajectories. Stay informed and engaged with global military developments to enhance your understanding of these superpowers. Subscribe to our channel for more in-depth analysis and expert discussions.